when I was on the way, I was just reflecting on this word finmo. Okay. Then rupee rakshak. Chanakya, all must listen to this. Apadharte dhanam rakshet, daran rakshet dhanai rapi. I repeat. Apadharte dhanam rakshet, daran rakshet dhanai rapi. I'll tell you the meaning slowly. Atmanam satatam rakshet. Atmanam satatam rakshet darairapi dhanairapi. The first line and the second line could look very contradicting, right? The first line says very clearly that apadarte dhanam rakshet. Very clear, right? In apatkal, right? For apatkal, dhanam rakshet means you will have to protect your money. So, is it not resonating with rupee rakshak? Yeah, give them a big hand, yaar, come on. Yeah, Chanakya said that, right? So, therefore, this protecting, dhanam rakshet, dhanam is rupee, rakshet, rakshak. Is that clear? So, what a fantastic name. Mohana, it just struck me as I was coming through, okay? Then, Chanakya also says, safeguard your family, especially your wife, children, right? And spend money for that. Chanakya says that. Spend money to protect your wife, children and family. The second line, Atmanam satatam rakshet. What this says is, in the process of doing that, don't forget your own self. In apatkal, you need money. That gives you the concept that you will have to set aside some money for not Vartaman Kal, for Bhavishyat Kal. So the Bhavishyat Kal need not always be Apatkal, but one of the subsets of Bhavishyat Kal is Apatkal. All of you agree? Therefore, we are getting into the concept of saving money, protecting money. Saving is simple. Any FD will save you, right? But you will have to protect it such that without greed, you want the same money to multiply manifold as per your my yogyata. Please understand this. I will end with another Sanskrit subhashita. Vidya dadati vinayam. Vidya dadati vinayam. Vinayadyati patratam. Patratvat dhanamapnoti dhanat dharmam tatas sukham. Right? This is a fantastic thing. I love this actually. Vidya dadati vinayam means what? Knowledge gives or should give you humility. Vinaya. Is that clear? That is, you should be so humble in terms of saying that, hey, I have acquired so much of knowledge. Is that clear? Vidya dadati vinayam. Then what happens? Next chain reaction. Vinayadyati patratam. That vinaya, not just vidya. Now vidya plus vinaya. That's how. It's a cumulative thing. Right? This vidya plus vinaya gives you patratam, position in the society. That is position. That is patra. Vidya dadati vinayam. Vinayadyati Vinayadyati patratam. Patratvad dhanamapnoti. Vidya, vinaya, position gives you dhanam. Please, all of us know that. It is anubhava siddha. Is that clear? So we get dhanam. Dhanat dharmam tatas sukham. That dhana cannot be only for yourself. It is for the larger benefit of the society. Is that clear? Dhanat dharmam. See, dharmam is a misinterpreted word today. People think if I have money, I'll have to do dharma. What does that dharma mean? It should be meaningful charity, meaningful paropakara. Paropakaraya midam shariram. Right? So that dhana used through appropriate meaningful charity for the deserving people. Dhana dharmam tathas sukham. Ultimately, what is the goal? Happiness, right? Right? That is the only thing we are not able to find. right? Everything else is we are able to find, right? But protecting of this dhana for paropakara and yourself is what this platform will enable you. That is Rupee Rakshak for you.